So why is not a good thing also to buy right now? Kasi sabi nila guys, yung market, if you're gonna start buying ng May 1 and then you're gonna sell up to October, okay, or nagpo-position ka, nagsuswing ka between May 1 hanggang October, your drawdown is actually higher than buying between October and selling actually your positions now. Kung mag-swing trade ka ngayon, kukunin mo yung mga average down yan na wrong season of the month. We all know that the market usually follows SPX 500. That's the baseline of all movements. Dollar is the opposite correlation ng SP 500. So why follow dollar? SPX 500 ka na lang talaga. So it says here that during the lean period and the buying period, kung magsa-start ka mamili o magte-trade ng mga swing trade, magka-catch ng bottom trade, whatever that is, crypto, PSEI, okay, kung wala ka pang position na magsa-start ka ng position ngayong buwan, which is May 1 onwards, you're in the wrong season of the year. Wala kang position ha, 0 positions ka. Pero kung magdadagdag ka, okay lang kasi may base ka na eh. Pero kung mag-start ka pa lang, it's always best to start looking for positions between August up to October. Kasi daw, pag nag-swing trade ka or nag-position trade ka or whatever what you're doing, tapos nasa long position ka, kung gusto mo sumabay ng mas pataas na market, katulad ngayon na bull market, it's best to wait for the right season. Kasi if ngayon ka mamimili at nagpo-position ka pa lang ngayon, since 1950, the movement of the market can give you a max drawdown of 30%. Compare that you are going swing position or trend following ng long positions mo, crypto, US market, PSEI, your drawdown is actually lesser than 16% or divided by 2. Even the green frequency, it's higher, 6% higher ka na opportunity. So ano ibig sabihin nito? Actually, dapat nga ngayon, nagbabawas ka na ng position. Dapat nga ngayon, mas ingat ka sa mga swing trades mo if you're a swing trader. Sabihin ng swing trader, you're buying the dip and selling it on the next rally.